Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something that's really a staple in my home throughout the fall and winter months, and it's homemade caramel. Of course you can go ahead and buy it, but I find that when you make it from scratch, I think it tastes a lot better. I just have to be honest with you. So if you want to see how it comes together, make sure you keep on watching. This is perfect for any topping, for ice cream, for pies, for crisps, for anything. So I really think you guys are going to love this one. Alrighty, so to make this, you're going to need sugar that I already put into my pot, some heavy whipping cream, a little bit of water, vanilla extract, and unsalted butter. Alright, so I already added my sugar into my pot. It's about 1.5 cups of sugar. To that, I'm going to go ahead and add in my water, and this is just a 1/3 cup, I think, yeah. So I'm going to put this on low, and I'm going to let this cook until all the sugar dissolves, which will be about, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes or so. The most important thing is you cannot stir. Do not stir this. If you need to at any point kind of move it around, zhuzh it around like this, okay? So you're gonna watch this for about 5 minutes or so, and then I will meet you here and show you the next step. Okay, so I just wanna show you, so pretty much everything is dissolved. There's a little patch right here. Don't touch the sugar, by the way. It's very hot. That still needs to dissolve. So what you're going to do once it's clearly, like it's all dissolved, sorry, I need to learn how to speak. You're going to turn the heat up to medium. You're going to wait for this to turn like a chestnut brown color, but be careful because it goes from brown to burnt like that. So you're just going to want to make sure you're watching it. Once it turns brown, we're going to turn the heat down to low, and then I will meet you here to show you exactly what we're going to do next. Alright, I just wanted to show you we are in full swing. I put the heat up to medium, so we're starting to really cook this through. And I forgot to tell you, do not stir. Do not stir. You're gonna, if you need to, zhuzh it around gently like this, okay? And again, like I said, wait for this to get into like a chestnut brown color, and then turn the heat down to low, and I will meet you here to show you how we're gonna finish this off. Alright, I don't know if you could see, but the mixture has turned like a chestnutty brown. It's hard to tell because of all the bubbles coming up. So what you're going to do is make sure you're very careful with this, because otherwise you are going to burn yourself. I have 2 oven mitts. And what I'm going to do now is turn the heat down to low. Oh gosh, down to low. And we're going to pour in our heavy whipping cream. Be careful, it's gonna splatter, okay? And you're gonna just stir it in. Slowly, just keep. There we go. There we go. Just keep on stirring. Keep on stirring, people. Stir this all in. I'm gonna actually, sorry. Flip this over. To this, I'm gonna go ahead and add a dash of vanilla. There we go. Just keep stirring. And I'm gonna put the heat back onto medium while I'm stirring for about 2 minutes, just so we can thicken this mixture. So my mixture is already thickening beautifully. Don't panic if it seems like it's not thick enough. As it cools, it's gonna thicken. So the final step is to add in our butter. I'm just gonna stir this until the butter melts. And you can see just how beautiful and brown this is. It's gonna just be such a gorgeous little thing. Oh. And for those of you who may have noticed, this is a different pot. You are correct. What had happened was I went to the bathroom, and when I went to the bathroom, the mixture was still boiling slightly and it was clear. I came back and it was like dark brown, which is not supposed to be like that. So I knew that I had burnt the caramel. So rather than wasting the heavy cream and trying, I just decided to start from scratch. So if you notice that, that is why. I told you, you have to make sure you watch it. All right, I'm just gonna stir this until the butter melts completely. I'm gonna set this aside, and it's really important that you let this cool completely before you do anything with this. It's extremely hot. It's gonna do major damage to your mouth or to whatever you put this on. So please, please let this cool for at least a couple of hours, and then you can go ahead and enjoy. I hope you guys like this recipe. I absolutely love homemade caramel, so this is a big bonus for me. If you like this recipe, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!